Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure.
Gold is not only beautiful, but it has divine properties that can assist us in maintaining balanced health. So today we'll be discussing the benefits of drinking gold charged water or gold water. According to Ayurveda, this gold water helps us in balancing our three doshas, that are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. It helps to improve our memory and intelligence. Drinking gold water daily is very important for treating epilepsy. It also helps to solve all kind of respiratory issues. And it is also very beneficial for people who are having asthma issues. It helps to strengthen our nervous system. Drinking this gold water frequently will help to increase your body's immunity power. This gold water helps to form new cells in our body. So people who are facing cancer issues will definitely drink gold water daily. Gold water can be used as a general tonic. That means you can drink it daily and there is no harm of drinking it daily. Drinking it daily is best for our lungs, heart and our brain, as it helps to increase their functioning quality and also helps to make new cells. It has anti-aging properties and also makes our skin radiant. It helps to improve our stamina and also helps to relax our body and mind. If you are facing a problem called as having too much of negative thoughts, daily, then you should definitely drink gold water as it relaxes you, so it will make your mind calm. This gold water is also beneficial in all kind of winter related disorders, like having pain in your knees during winter season or any kind of winter related disorder, as it is hot in nature, so it will help to maintain your body heat. Now let us know how we can make this gold water. So for that, what we'll do, we'll take a utensil or a vessel, like a pot or something, or any other, like whatever is your choice accordingly. Okay, so you can take a pot and then you can add 4 glasses of water to it, or a liter water, and then you can add a 24 karat or 22 karat gold, a coin in it, or a chain or any kind of bangle. Okay, you can add in it. Just do remember that there are no meenakaris on it. That means there are no another stones on it. Okay? Do remember that. That means it should be a pure gold, not a mixing of 2 or 3 things together. Wash it thoroughly before adding it to the water. Now you can boil it. You need to boil it until the water is reduced. The 4 glasses of water is reduced to its half. After it is reduced to its half, then what you can do is you can just remove it from the heat and then just and then as it cools down you can drink it directly. Or what you can do, if you are planning it for your family, then you can put that into your clay pot or any other kind of drinking water which you keep at your home, like a jar full of water or any other thing. You can mix it with that, so that all your family will get the benefit of this gold charged water. So in general you can do this, and if you are having any kind of chronic disorders like cancer or any other thing, and if you want to drink gold water, then what you can do is you need to boil it. You need to boil the 4 glasses of water until it is reduced to only 1 glass of water. Okay, that means the 75% of the water is evaporated and only 25% is left back. Okay, so that water you need to drink it. Okay, you need to alone drink it. And if you are having any kind of chronic or serious disorders, then you can drink it 3 times a day during winter seasons, and during any other seasons you can drink this gold charged 1 glass reduced water daily once. Okay, and all of them who are not having any kind of serious disorders can just mix their half reduced water into their any kind of drinking water, like the jar filled with normal water or a pot filled with normal water. They can just mix it with that, so that everyone in their family can get benefit of this gold charged water. So that was for today. We today learned about gold charged water. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. If you found our video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.